After my experience with Polene last week, that was a total fail. I decided to return the bag. I have the video here so you can watch next. I went to the store and they brought me another one, and although it was not crooked, the leather was just not great. So I was going to exchange, but I decided to just return and got my money back. So I decided to use that money towards a bag that I have been loving lately, and finally took the plunge, and was actually much cheaper than the Polene one. And it's this gorgeous piece over here. This is from the brand called Diffusion. I'm going to show you the close-up because you need to see this bag and just understand how well made and how beautiful it is. Not just beautiful, but the quality is also incredible. This is hand woven in India, and it takes about 10 weeks for them to weave a bag. So there's a lot of information on the website explaining and telling all about their working conditions, their factories, and I really appreciate that. They have so many beautiful styles, but I went with this one. To me, this is the most beautiful one. I will show you the ones that I love the most in case you want my opinion, but this to me is the best. I just love the shape. It is a basket, but it's the opposite shape. So it's not going to be narrow at the bottom and large on the top. It's exactly the opposite. I think it's such a unique shape. They have a small version. This one is the large. So it's called the Big Santa bag. And the color is called the Forest. Now I was thinking about getting a brown one because it's more versatile, but because I love green so much, and this feels like a special piece to me, even more if I had gotten a neutral one. Not that I wouldn't love a neutral one, but this one just feels even more special. I think the green is stunning, and honestly it is going to be quite versatile for my wardrobe because I do have a lot of neutral pieces and green pieces as well. This is an understated bag, a very quiet luxury style, and a wonderful alternative to raffia. To me, this is way more versatile because you can wear this all year round. The raffia is more of a spring summer bag, and this one, although it has the effect of raffia because of the woven, it's perfect, and it goes simply throughout all seasons without feeling that trendy. So this to me is a forever bag. I love how this looks, how the woven on the top is actually small and gradually just gets larger. I think it gives such a beautiful look, and it's quite roomy. They have a small version which is really nice, but you cannot put on your shoulder. The small version has to be a top handle. So I would love to see that one in person, but I went with this size because it does feel like a good size for day or night. It doesn't feel too overwhelming. It's not like a big tote bag, and it's just so beautiful. I'm truly in love, and this is becoming really popular. So I don't believe it's going to happen the same that happened to Polene. And again, the video is here in case you want to see. I'm gonna link in the description box. But because it becomes so popular, sometimes the high demand just makes the brand really increase the quality, and that would be really sad. They don't do collaborations with any bloggers, influencers, content creators. So this was my own purchase. Obviously, I used my own money, and this is my real honest review. I think the bag is incredible and totally worth the money. This, as I mentioned, takes about 10 weeks to be made, so it's made to order. However, some retailers have these ready to sell, and I got mine from Saks Fifth Avenue. They had a promotion last week that you would get $100 off any purchase over $400. Because this bag was $465 on Saks, I got $100 off, so it was a really good deal for what I'm getting. I do think I'm going to wear and love this so much, and I'm welcoming her to my bag collection. I do love handbags, and I really appreciate the ones that have a high quality, not quite the price point, because I have tried Chanel bags that were not at all worth the money. Well, I won't say the YSL because I had a good experience with all my YSL bags, but the Chanel, no. And I feel this is just absolutely worth the money. So I am sharing some outfits with you so you can have the inspiration in case you are considering to get this bag, or maybe you already have something similar or in a similar color. So to me at least, it's quite versatile. The color is not that hard to combine, but of course this really depends on your wardrobe. So at least I'm happy that my terrible experience with the Polene bag last week turned out into something really fun and really happy and positive. So what do you guys think? Let me know what you think of this gorgeous handbag. I'll be styling this bag many times in my future videos, so make sure you stay connected, subscribe so you can see more videos.